Building a huge portfolio, Bill Gates, with an estimated net worth of $129 billion, is ranked number 4 on the list of the world's richest people. Putting his daily technology enthusiasm aside after retiring, Bill's investments keep doing the extra work for him. Let's take a look at Bill Gates' companies list that boast Gates' investment portfolio. Streaming behind Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, Jeff Bezos, CEO of Amazon, and Bernard Arnault at number 4, Bill Gates was the founder and CEO of Microsoft in 1975 until his retirement. Since then, one might think he founded another multi-billion-dollar company or fall off financially, but that's not the case. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation has quite an impressive and sizable investment portfolio. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, through its various charitable works, has improved the lives of many, both in and outside the USA, which include developing and delivering malaria and COVID vaccines, improving better education through scholarships, and establishing the need for better and stricter gun laws. Almost all the Foundation's objectives have been met thanks to the massive investment made by the Foundation. Stick with us, and let's go through some of the major companies keeping them on its toe. Incorporated in 2000, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation Trust is a private philanthropic organization that owns quite a reasonable number of extremely successful businesses with competitive advantages successes. Its investment ideology of the foundation is to basically put their money into their companies while they offer their services to issues while making profits at the end of the day. Additionally, while it's paying dividends to shareholders, the invested companies in question through their stocks also increase their distributions over time. Michael Larson is the Chief Investment Officer working for the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation Trust. He oversees Bill Gates' personal wealth as well.
Cool.
The Bill and Melinda Foundation has investments in various trading industries, such as healthcare, waste management, consumer goods, information technology, transportation, and the technology industry as a whole. According to a recent 13F filing, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation has a sizable investment portfolio worth between approximately $17 billion and $23 billion. Let's get into some of Bill Gates' biggest investments boosting his investment portfolio. 4. Berkshire Hathaway Inc. First up is Berkshire Hathaway Inc., owned by fellow billionaire and lifelong friend Warren Buffett. So it only makes sense that Bill Gates is a shareholder with a percentage of Gates' portfolio at 53.56% in the company. Technically, his money is undoubtedly in safe and capable hands. Additionally, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation's trust largest stock is invested in Berkshire Hathaway Inc. as part of its investment portfolio, and we kinda know why. Under Warren Buffett's leadership, Berkshire Hathaway is rated as one of the larger public traded stock holdings, with around 34.7 million shares of BRK.B stock setting at a value of over $9.5 billion and a market value of over $600 billion. Buffett puts almost all his net worth into keeping Berkshire Hathaway running and making huge returns. Buffett's company has expanded into one of the world's major industry players and competitors, linked to various trading industries, including manufacturing, retail, railroads, insurance, energy generation, and distribution. It also owns and manages a large number of firms. Both Gates and Buffett in their philanthropic journeys have donated a significant amount of their wealth to recipients and created better lives for them. While Berkshire stock may be Gates' largest stock investment, there are other companies such as Waste Management Inc. also doing essentially well. Stay with us and let's find out more about this company and Gates' share in it. While staying with us for more on Bill Gates' portfolio, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to the channel for everything Bill Gates curated right here for you. 3. Canadian National Railway Co. With the Gates Foundation Investment Company owning 6.54% of total holding shares, the Canadian National Railway is the 4th largest railroad in North America, currently valued at more than $8.2 billion, and its market capitalization as of June 2022 was $78.64 billion. The Canadian National Railway is currently the only transcontinental railroad in North America that creates a link between the Atlantic, Pacific, and the Gulf of Mexico, transporting over 300 million tons of cargo dealing in railway, trucking, warehousing, and other offering services, such as transporting petroleum products, grain and fertilizers, coal, metals, and automotive gadget, all mostly valued at approximately $200 billion. With a percentage of 6.54% of Gates Foundation shareholding,
seriously?
Gates owns just about 1.4%, which he sold earlier this year for an estimated $1.6 billion. 2. Caterpillar Inc. Bill Gates owns 7.43% of total holdings in Caterpillar Inc. (CAT), which serve as one of the leading marketers in the heavy machinery industry. It holds a commanding position in the business and has a strong brand. Caterpillar Inc. focuses on the construction industries, resource industries, energy, and transportation businesses, producing heavy equipment and machinery for agriculture, energy, building, and mining companies. The Gates Foundation holds up to 7.35 million shares. 1. Waste Management Inc. WM. Waste management is the embodiment of a company with a wide economic moat, a term popularized by Warren Buffett to describe a strong competitive advantage that protects a company from the full ravages of market competition. Waste Management offers waste management services for recycling and waste removal. The Bill & Melinda Foundation's second largest shareholding is Waste Management Inc., with the foundation owning more than 18.6 million shares. Waste Management is the biggest trash management company with a market value of $3.1 billion. The Gates Foundation has held investments in waste management since 2002. In line with Bill & Melinda Foundation's environmental objectives, Waste Management has played its part in recycling plastic and paper waste materials. Some other companies Bill Gates has invested in include Walmart Inc., Deere & Company, DE, Microsoft, Ecolab Inc., Coca-Cola, FedEx Corp., Crown Castle International Corp., Schrödinger Inc., United Parcel Service Inc., Sanderson Farms Inc., Carvana Co., Coupang Inc., Weber Inc., Vroom Inc. Maybe you're looking to become like Bill Gates, so what better way than to start buying stock? You should check some of these companies out. While doing that, you can check out Bill Gates' Apple stock and find out more on how Microsoft might have saved Apple.